Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best product reviews. Today, we are talking about the Celiwace 7.7-inch BF35 replacement bulb, 15 watt. The best stinger bug zapper replacement bulb you can find. If you're looking to replace the bulb in your bug zapper, the Celiwace BF35 is a top choice. This 15-watt fluorescent bulb is designed with a 365 nanometers wavelength blue light that attracts flying insects effectively. Measuring 7.7 inches in length, this bulb has a U-shaped tube with a prong base, making it compatible with a wide variety of bug zappers, including the BK15D, Stinger FP15, and TZ15. This bulb is ideal for those looking for a reliable and efficient solution to keep their outdoor spaces free of annoying bugs. The Celiwace BF35 bulb comes in a pack of 4, ensuring you have replacements ready whenever you need them. It boasts an impressive 6,000-hour lifespan, which means it will last a long time before you need to swap it out. With a simple design, it's easy to install and works efficiently to lure and trap bugs without any hassle. The blue light produced by the bulb mimics the UV light that insects are naturally drawn to, ensuring your zapper works effectively. Not only is this bulb highly compatible with various bug zapper models, but it's also a great value for the price, offering durability and longevity. The 15-watt power consumption provides enough power to attract bugs while being energy efficient. So, if you need a replacement bulb for your bug zapper, look no further than the Celiwace 7.7-inch BF35 replacement bulb. It's a top-performing bulb that offers great value, longevity, and effective bug control. Stay bug-free and enjoy your outdoor activities with this reliable bulb. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all our product reviews. We'll see you in the next one.